Your first step is to set up a meeting with your selected architect. At this meeting, the client should provide the building requirements to the architect, such as the building size, preferred style, family makeup and family dynamics, along with any limiting factors such as time frame and budget. It's important to be upfront about your budget at this stage, as most people are naive to the actual expense associated with construction. It's better to scale back initially than to make changes during construction to reduce cost. Once the architect accepts the job, he sets off to design his clients their perfect home. His expertise allows him to incorporate site-specific features, such as streams, ponds, or distant mountain views. He also strives to make sure that the house incorporates the client's style while still being respectful of the neighboring homes. The architect meets with the client, this time to present a few different concepts for the proposed home. At this meeting, it is common for the client to pick aspects of each different design to incorporate in the next step. Next, it's back to the drawing board to flush out any issues the client may have had with the original concept design. The architect might meet with the client a few more times until a design has been approved. Once a design has been approved, it's time for the architect to create construction documents, or CDs, as they're called in the field. These are full sets of documents that provide enough information for a contractor to provide a bid. The architect distributes these CDs to 3 to 4 contractors for bids, generally taking about 4 weeks before the bids are returned. Once the bids have been submitted, the architect reviews them to determine that they are complete. The client receives the bids as well as references from each contractor. It is highly recommended that the client interview each contractor and their references before selecting a contractor to build their home. The design and bidding phase can take around 6 to 9 months to be completed. Once a builder has been selected, the CDs are submitted to the local building department for a building permit, and then it's time for the builder to get to work. On average, it takes the builder 9 to 12 months to build a new home.